Hi guys! So it's me Aisha. Sorry na di ako na-post ng few days. So because I'm just busy at school and busy at home. So sorry about that. And for today's video, we're doing my nails because my nails is so ugly. Look at that. So let's do it. First, I need this. This is my makeup bag. And yeah, so I will open it now. Uy! Yan. Yun guys, yung pagbili natin. Yan guys, yung ano ko. Ang aking hairstyle for today. Guys, nasira yan yung pagbili namin. So, may damage siya. So, yan. So, meron tayo dyan ng glitter. So, itong glitters, kukuhain ko guys. Wait. Itong glitters. Oh, I have a great idea, guys. So, I need this and I will get the Q-Tix. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. So, yun. So, ito ang Q-Tix ko. Ilalagay ko siya sa kamay ko. Tapos, lalagyan kong konting glitter. And, di ba meron pa isang kulay dito? Kukunin ko din yun. Tapos, kunyari guys, imagine nyo, nakalagay na ako. Tapos, ito, lalagyan kong konti dyan na gold and konting silver dito. Gold, silver, gold. Ganun ang gagawin ko. So, guys, bago tayo mag-start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos and all of my shorts too. And, yeah. So, yeah. This is my makeup bag pala. Yan, dito ang blush. Dito yung, anong tawag doon? Yung nilalagay dito sa mata. In the eye. And this is the lip balm. So that's perfect. And yeah. And I will get, okay, this is the brushes. Because this is blue because nagamit ko na. Yan. Ito yung mga brush niya. Nagamit na yun ng mga brush. So, pwede din hugasan. Meron ditong dalawang klaseng lip tint or lipstick. I don't know. I don't really know. Okay, I cannot get it. I hope I get it. Okay, I get it. Wait, I don't know what. I don't know what about these. I broke it. I think it's okay. And I have, I realized I have more Q-Tix nail polish. Okay, I will get it. But how? How? I cannot get it, bro. Okay, it's perfect because we have this nail polish, and we have more nail polish here. So let's try it. Okay. Wait lang. So let's try to get it. So let's go. I cannot get it, guys. Okay, I will just post this, and I'm gonna try to get this. So yeah. Okay, guys, I get it, and yeah. So we're needing these two. And these two. And these. And of course these three. And guys, I realized that we had a sticker here. I think we can put this on our nails. And we have this thingy. I don't know what this called, but yeah, just comment down below. But I think I don't need this, so yeah. I'm just gonna get these. I can do this. Okay. OMG! OMG! Guys, I don't know we had these! OMG, I'm so shocked. Guys, I need to do the story. This is not it. Wait lang. Oopsies. Okay. Ito pala guys, hindi to dito. Hindi to kasali dito. Ano lang siya guys, yung dating makeup ko na ano lang, parang may can't blush and yung nasa ano lang, yung nilalagay sa mata, yun lang meron at blush. At mga brush, not blush. And ito. So, ngayon ko lang naalaman na sa under pala neto, merong ganito. So, yeah, I'm so happy to find it out. So, sakto, we need this, I think. How to do this? Ooh, like that, bro. I hope it's like that. So, I think we need this or not. What? Wait. I'm trying to put this on my hand. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, I need this one of it. Wait. And let's get these two because we need to get started. Ooh. I will put this back now. Thank you, Lord. I found it out. Uy. Okay guys, balikan ko na lang kayo pag natapos to. And I think may part 2 pa to. So yun na guys, nalagay ko na siya dyan. Okay, this is what I need to do my nail polish. And I think this is goodbye guys. So bye. Love you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And just wait for part 2. Bye.